Okay, so if you've ever, scrolled through job descriptions, data scientist, machine learning engineer, data analyst, you see one language just dominating. Python. It's absolutely everywhere.
It really is. Hard to miss.
But why exactly? I mean, beyond the buzz, what's really driving Python's dominance in data? Is it just like a phase?
Or is there something more fundamental?
Right. Is it genuinely the king of data science?
Yeah.
And maybe the best starting point if you're just getting into this field?
Yeah, that's what we want to unpack.
So today we're doing a deep dive. We're looking at 3 solid reasons, really core reasons, that make Python stand out. Let's get into what makes it so crucial.
And it's interesting because it's not really one single thing, is it? It's more a powerful mix of factors.
Exactly.
The first one, and maybe the most obvious when you start using it, it really comes down to its design philosophy.
That's a great way to put it. Because reason number 1 is actually pretty straightforward. Python is just, well, easy to read and write. For us in data science, the main goal isn't always, deep-level software engineering. It's about understanding data, right? Building models, solving problems.
Getting insights.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And Python syntax, it's almost like plain English sometimes. So you spend less time hunting down weird punctuation errors.
Yeah, fighting the syntax.
And more time actually focusing on the data problem you're trying to crack.
Yeah.
It just lowers that cognitive load.
And think about the bigger picture there, that readability. It's not just for you working alone. It's huge for teams.
Oh, absolutely. Collaboration.
Yeah, like imagine statisticians, maybe domain experts, even business analysts. They can actually read the code, maybe even contribute a bit.
Without needing a full CS degree.
Exactly. So you're collaborating on the actual code, not just talking about the results. It speeds things up, concept to deployment, much faster.
Okay, now this is where it gets really powerful, I think. And it ties right into our second big reason, Python's incredible ecosystem, the libraries.
Ah, yes.
Yeah.
The toolkit.
Right. Think about it. If you had to build everything from scratch, every single algorithm, every data structure.
Oh, that'd be painful.
You'd be like building a house by, I don't know, forging your own nails first. Possible, maybe, but so inefficient.
Yeah, non-practical.
Python, instead, it's like having the world's best hardware store, just open 24/7, stocked with amazing specialized tools for pretty much every data task.
And what's key here is how well these tools work together. The synergy is really impressive. For handling data, you've got Pandas. Those data frames are, for many people, just revolutionary for cleaning and shaping data.
Totally changed how we wrangle data.
And underneath a lot of that, NumPy arrays. Super powerful, super efficient for numerical stuff, often running on fast, compiled C code behind the scenes.
Right, you get the speed without the complexity.
And they fit together. Pandas uses NumPy, then machine learning libraries, like the big one, Scikit-learn, they expect data in those Pandas or NumPy formats. It's seamless.
Exactly. And then for actually seeing the data, you've got Matplotlib, Seaborn.
Yeah.
Making complex stuff visually understandable.
Crucial for communication.
But yeah, Scikit-learn, that's often seen as like the crown jewel, right? A consistent way to use almost any machine learning model you can think of.
Yeah, the API is remarkably consistent.
I remember years back trying to code up even a basic linear regression. It felt like a huge project. With Scikit-learn, it's, a few lines of code?
Pretty much. You're standing on the shoulders of giants, as they say, building sophisticated models very quickly.
Truly. It's incredible.
And what makes that toolkit so powerful isn't just the code itself, but the people behind it, building it, refining it, supporting it.
Which leads us perfectly into reason number 3.
Which is Python's amazing versatility and that huge, vibrant community around it.
Yeah, because data science rarely stops with just a model sitting on your laptop.
Yeah. You often need to actually use it, deploy it somewhere, build an API, maybe integrate it into a web app.
And Python excels there too. Yeah. You can go from analysis right into building web services using frameworks like Django or Flask,
right,
or automating workflows.
It's end-to-end.
It really is. It's not just for data science. It's for delivering the whole data solution. And then, if you get stuck,
which
always happens, the community is just massive. Chances are someone has hit your exact problem before. Solutions, tutorials, discussions, they're usually just a quick search away.
That support network is invaluable. And while, Python might not always be the absolute raw, fastest language for some low-level number crunching.
Right, compared to C++ or something.
Yeah. But its core libraries, like NumPy and Pandas, often use highly optimized C code under the hood anyway. So you get a lot of that speed benefit without having to manage the low-level complexity yourself. Kind of the best of both worlds.
Okay, so let's pull this all together.
Yeah, so recapping. Python's dominance really seems to rest on these three pillars. First, its basic simplicity, just how readable and easy it is to get started with.
Right, developer-friendly.
Second, that incredibly powerful and interconnected ecosystem. Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, the whole gang.
The amazing toolkit.
And third, its versatility, being able to do more than just analysis, plus that huge, active, global community supporting it all.
Couldn't have said it better. And what that means for you, listening, is that Python gives you this really low barrier to entry. You can get your hands dirty quickly.
Start building things.
But at the same time, it offers this incredibly high ceiling for what you can ultimately achieve in data science. It's the perfect launch pad, but also a rocket ship for your entire career journey.
Well put.
So, as you think about everything we've touched on today, we wanted to leave you with a question. For you, what do you find is Python's most powerful or maybe even surprising feature? What really makes it click for you? Something to mull over.